Yo, what's good, fam? How y'all doing? YouTube, what's popping? So what we doing, we going over a live breakdown. This is a signal that I sent to the signal chat about an hour or 2 hours ago. I sent it at 6:26 p.m. So about almost 2 hours. I just now getting back to the crib. It's Super Bowl night, so I want to go ahead and get this video out now before it gets too late. So as y'all can see, we're in a gold buy, right? So overall, it's a 50% retracement. Point A to point B on the fib, 50% retracement. The market ended up pushing up and we had a nice level of resistance up in here. This was last week on Friday, right around the time of before the NFP. And as you can see, all the market did was literally push up and break this resistance. Boom, back-to-back bullish candles, new high. All of this fluctuation happened during that morning within the New York session. You see the market comes back down super hard and retested this level of support. And then as I looked at this, I'm like, hold on, the market just like it's just forming a huge higher low point. So as I look at this, I see now a nice level of support, nice higher low. All the market did was literally push up and test this level of structure, right? We had a nice little level of resistance. This was basically the last recent lower high point. As you can see, I have my cups here drawn, and then made a higher high. As you can see, back-to-back bullish candles where I had this yellow circle, and then we just retraced pretty deep, and we came back down to this level of support that the market was retesting at before. So to me, all I seen this as a huge higher low point. So over the weekend, I'm literally waiting for the market to open, and I'm hoping that we got a nice little entry confirmation that would happen within this area. And as you can see, a huge bullish candle that printed. This is a nice bullish engulfing. As I go down to the 30-minute time frame, you'll see clearly why I took a trade here. And boom, nice higher low point. That's a very powerful candle. If you see this candle right here, if you ever watch some of my breakdowns or go through the candlestick Bible, you'll see this candle. Very lethal candle. Take note of that. Please screenshot that, save that, and remember that candle right here. This is where we got our entry. We entered a little bit before this candle closed. As you can see on the 15-minute time frame, you can see same thing. Nice bullish engulfing. So we got in there. Boom. Stop losses below this level, giving it room to breathe. And the market is literally flying up in profit. I also got down to the lower time frames, and I end up sniping me another entry up in here off of this higher low point, right up in this area. If you go down to the 5-minute and also the 15, look at this. On the 15-minute time frame, you can see the market forming a higher low point at this level where we also retest the moving average. Beautiful. So I went down the 5-minute time frame, and boom, look at this. And the market is literally just flying up off of this candle confirmation up in there. So I just seen this as a nice level of support. We had the 15-minute moving average in our favor as well. So I felt like, you know what, let's go ahead and get down to the lower time frames and try to snipe us a nice entry. And boom, literally sniped it, and it's pushing right up into profit. So super clean, very nice push, and a very nice start to this bullish move. And that's pretty much it, y'all. So overall, like I said, it's a 1 hour setup, and we pushing up with lots of volume early on, so that's really nice to see. And our TP is overall at 2,900. That's the final TP. We got TPs here, TP1, 2, 3, and 4, but we super close to TP1 so far. Hope this was clear and made sense. This is a very unique trade. This takes a lot of confidence and a lot of trust and patience, most importantly, because you know, after all this fluctuation, a lot of people would get psyched out thinking that the market was rejecting up in here. But really, all I've seen this as is a huge higher low point and just a true area of support. Nice bearish exhaustion also. That's why I had this gray zone right here highlighting. You can see lots of exhaustion happen at the bottom side of these candles, which shows that the market was rejecting pretty heavily in this area. So all the signs I needed to see, man. It's just beautiful, bro. Textbook trade. Hopefully we hit TP and we can continue to climb up and secure a bag up here to be about 340 pips of movement. That would be a reward. First TP is here. That's about 145 pips right up in here at first TP1. TP1, 2, 3, and 4. So that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna be holding this trade and seeing how this plays out. Hopefully we get a nice little reward off of this. Also, here's the signal, just so y'all can see. I already know we don't be doing no capping, man. Oops, Siri. But yeah, you can see, boom, buy gold. Also, this is the first trade on the funded account. First trade on the 100K funded account, y'all. Right now we up $1,321, $1,300 right now so far. And I'm gonna also create a little of a cutout so you can see this signal. Right now we floating, man. 1300 Super Bowl night. Other than that, I love y'all. I appreciate the support, man. Keep like, comment, subscribe. Keep sharing these videos. Keep commenting. Let me know anything at all. Any questions, any concerns, anything y'all want me to cover. Let me know. And we're gonna keep grinding and keep getting to it, baby. I love y'all. Peace out. And just like that, we are out. 340 pips secured, y'all. Crazy, crazy move. Man, this shit look beautiful, bro. Oh my God, look at this. Straight up in the profit, no type of real drawdown at all, and literally just floating, bro. Nothing but bull candles. That's all you see is green. That shit's wild, yo. This is beautiful, bro. Gold is literally flowing amazingly. Super, super clean movement. Very, very smooth. Going down to the lower time frames, you got structure showing on the lower time frames to 15 and a 5. I was able to scale in and take some orders up in this area where I have these highlighted here off this bullish engulfing. I also got in some small orders up in here, and if I go down to the 5-minute time frame, you can see you had a nice little engulfing slash variation that happened up in here. Right at this point, I was just being a bit aggressive, but it is what it is. I took some entries right off of here. Boom. So I have entries here, here, and here, and we literally just flew right into profit and just continued to flow. And I mean, gold is just, I mean, look at it, bro. Like, flawless, bro. Flawless. 340 pips in a few hours, yo. I just sent this trade, bro. I sent this trade. What time did I send this trade at, y'all? I sent this trade at 6:26 p.m. right before the Super Bowl started, yo. 6:26 p.m. and it's 5 a.m. and we already closed out 340 pips of profit. Super, super clean movement. As you can see, I really stand on quality over quantity. I've been preaching this for a very long time. A lot of other people you'll hear that from. Quality over quantity. That's in everything I do in life, but specifically in my trading. And when I tell you that, that really puts you in a position where you are just taking great setups. And when you stick to your system and you take quality trades, this is the type of result that you get. $6,367 of profit. Crazy, crazy gain. 6.3K in a matter of what, 12 hours just about, or less. $6,000 of profit in one trade, y'all. 6,000, 6K. First trade on this funded account and right on time before the payout. Literally tonight, I believe it's at 7 p.m. I can request a withdrawal. So that's another great thing I can look forward to, closing out this type of move at this early on in the week, and then also being able to request a withdrawal tonight. Oh my God, 7 p.m. I can't wait. Other than that, y'all, this is the setup. Super, super clean. I've been recording hella beginner level videos also for the beginner traders. So it's going to be lots of content coming to you all very, very soon. And also just continuing to grow the brand, grow my channel, grow my platforms, and just help as much people as I possibly can with the blessings that I've gained and, you know, the knowledge that I've gained throughout my 6 or 7 years of trading at this point. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it. Peace and love to everybody. I love y'all. I appreciate the support. Please like, comment, subscribe on this video. The rest of my videos, turn all of them up. And we'll keep getting these tips, keep grinding, and keep growing. Keep pursuing all our goals, knocking everything off our checklist. And just accomplishing more and helping more people, blessing more people, and just sharing God's work, sharing God's blessings with others.